isaa cia bilingi wa mauvo.
Ni saida na nusu cia wiyoni na wikwatio kana ni watindane saa bala watindila wakatano wa umundi nyenita wa Robert Muhuru na Keisha Rundinda twalila mauvo wa kwanzia ya mekwe katamba kunengelelia alatukumbanisye ateo kwa ukuve.
Alatukumbanisye ni vamwe na
ula waimwene kivila wanzama ya unyuvani na mivaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati kutiwa ni thayu. MCA wa ward ya Ikanga Chatune Cyrus Musyoka kutha kwa kotini ikonanwa na kutumia uvungu kwikwatia mukovo. Atethesia mama daktari ungwa walanio wa UHC kutwa isia miatianio Mombasa. Na asiei alimu atavania na ene yanda kukulwa makwatane kwa vomwe kukitana na utome iwanda wasia kumila.
bilingi wa mauvo.
Ni na udhocha tutambania imwe tunengelelie mawoni makugwesela ili tukenda imwe itano ila ina mpito ya Otomani Mukuve na tuyambianikana ula una imwene kivila wanzama ya unyuvani na mivaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati niotiwe ni thayu tukone wakwamukia umundi aende kukwata uiti sibitali ni umwe musini wa Ilovi. Chebukati analukumieta mwene kivila wa IEBC kwa ilungu ya miaka 3 na adhi umuyawu ya kwe mwaini wambe mwakane wangilile miongoli na ilitu na valatongu ipadhokanyo Evo Musumi William Ruto matuma ngedhisia ukia kisio maimu weta tamundu une yumiti ya uyani wake Caleb Chalo ni watu mbanisia mauvoa.
Wafula Wanyonyi Chebukati mwene kivila wambe ndini wa historia nzamani ya kuungamio nyuvani 15 ilo tongo ine ni wati wanethayo kuyo mundi weti na wako kwa evinda yasa.
As for us as a commission, we shall enforce the law and we have no reason to depart from these provisions.
Chebukati akalikana wako kumba wake na muungamo wake ndini wa kuungama na kufikia kumutangaza president wa OU Dr. William Samoei Ruto tawe president wa katano itina wanzama ya IEBC kwithe wanamuaniko makomishona ana makiva dhula na mausungio chadhe cha kumutangaza Ruto tawe president na kila chatongo wene Chebukati che kuombelwa ni nduthi mwikanisio wa ndeto wanakao wake tai sangioni ya mbombano ya Bomas of Kenya ateoke ike ya musi ya Chebukati ya mutangaza William Ruto tawe musindi masembani ya musumbe mwaka wangilile miongo ile na ile.
In accordance with the law, the constitution and the law, I, Wafula Chebukati, chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, hereby declares that Ruto William Samoei has been duly elected as the president.
Ngalikoni ya makomishona alei matongoweni munini wa Chebukati Mwandu Juliana Cherera mamutola muti Chebukati kwa kutoa isiaseso ya kudhoi maana kutangaza mausungi wa mausumbe kwanzia ya kivindune tesa kuikika na vala malulumeile kana Ruto teo wasindi tekevila chosumbe.
Mr. Chebukati claimed that Raila Odinga attained 25% of votes in 34 counties, while William Ruto attained 25% in 39 counties. The question is, which figures in the 34 and 39 counties respectively constituted the independent variable to warrant the conclusion of 25% in 34 counties and 25% in the 39 counties for Raila and Ruto respectively.
Chebukati na ola walikile kevilani ke kwa tamuambe mwaka wangilili na 11 moi wambe weyethe ile mutiani ni mumwe etina wa kuungamio nyuvani wa usumbe wa mwaka wangilili na 11 na wala wa mutangasie president uthiumwe ya Uhuru Kenyatta musindi unyuvanine usu ne unyuvaniola mausungio make tina mekiwe ne musili munene wa makwani ulodhio mwe ya Justice David Maraga etina wa Supreme Court kolomelia kana eseso ya kuomba nyakula isu eya na umelu kula ine siasa yoke wengi musindani munene vindane Raila Amolo Odinga ena ngwatani ya NASA mayaye konya na kura sia mausiokeo ateo IEBC ungua Chebukati ne amutangasie Uhuru tawe musindi yenge.
Hereby declare Mr. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta
ndongo ikautanisia nengane motumani momo kiakisio kwi musi wa Chebukati. President William Ruto utumanini wake ni wamweta Chebukati ta mutongo yonathu kumie nthinu kwa kikio vamwe na misingi ya ulumu na mituo myailu na kiku chake ni ukuno munene kwa nthi. Munini wake Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni wamweta Chebukati ta mutongo yonaye na muungamo mulumu ta mwene kivila wa nzama ya IBC na unathu kumie kivalua ofisini uu kwa uyananu na ulumu. Atongwesie utumani wa yumbe na ke speaker mbungeni nene Moses Wetangula ni wamweta Chebukati ta mutongo unatongwesie muvya wiyungamia kwa kuatia katiba na kithito chawia na kiku chake ni ukuno munene kwa asomi mameao. Ataalamu maundone monvani na athukumi ma serikali ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka aliendea musi wa Chebukati ukiakisio wi mwana evindane ye yake meto.
We ran a free, fair, credible, transparent election 2022. We feel we have done our best for the country, and we believe that the incoming team should pick up from where we have left it.
Chebukati vamwe na makomishena anyanya ele alamati alile IBC etina wonivani muvetuku komishena Boya Molu na Abdi Gulie onthe mathio muyewia matuku 11 ma mwai wambe mwaka wa 2023 na vala Chebukati unakililia kwa evinda yasa etina wa maovo kumboka kana ethitwe wau. Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, vilingi wa maovo.
Naindi tuinengane ukiakiswa imwana kwa musi wa Chebukati ondumwe na Akenya. Tuisongana mbeni kana MCA wa ward ya Ikanga Chatune Cyrus Musyoka ni watha kwa kotini wa Kitui na wake kwikiwa mbeni ni maofisa maisalo DCI kuma ilovi kumuthinyani wa iyo. MCA uwe kwa nanua na mavitio kauta mevoma kutumia mathangu machati mangali kukwata mukovo wa milioni ile ndono ile na vala umilitumbe wa musili wa makwani Karista Dan wale na mavitio asu na alikuwa na bondi ya shilingi 5,000. Nesmas Chalo enalivoti.
MCA wa Ikanga Chatune la Kitui cha ithio Cyrus Musyoka na ulona kwa atu musini wa ilobi va muthenyani wa iyo ni maofisa maisalo DCI konanyo na mavitio kautani wa mwilwa kotini wa Kitui kwe omonthi avikitumbe wa musili wa makwani kotini wa kele wa Kitui songo ni wako na mavitio nyanya ivo ivitio ya kutumia mathango machati kana logbook no kana kuosa mukovo wa bunge ulone ngoma MCA wa kimantha cha shilingi milioni ile katono ile katuwa mavitio ange kivathukanyo mawanganganya.
Second count whereby you are concerned with the transparency to commit felony contrary to the law. You acknowledge and acknowledge within the Republic of Kenya in others not before the court. You conspire together to forge a patent automobile valuers and assessors limited motor vehicle operation report, serial number 1-00-886.61. Fraud force. Number 3, whereby you have detected the offense of forgery, contrary to the law. You, on a known date and unknown place in the Republic of Kenya, you intend to deceive, report a motor vehicle valuation report of serial number 1-00-886.61 for a motor vehicle registration number KCM 360Z. Reporting which will be attending valuation report issued by Vision Automobile Valuers and Assessors Limited. Purpose.
Songo ayitetea mbe wa koti huno wale na mavitio asu ombe na koti yatikila kumunenge bondi ya kimantha cha shilingi 5,000.
The defense counsel for bond also considered issues raised by the prosecution. Bond is constitutional aspect and a right to the accused person. However, the same is enjoyed subject to obligations and responsibilities on the part of the accused to attend court without fail. In the present situation, I have not been availed affidavit sworn for me to deny bond. However, I will grant bond at 500,000 short of the same amount, an alternative cash bail of the same amount, 500,000. We have a mention on 6th of March for pre-trial purposes.
Ikwanie kethukiwa ingi matuku 6 mamu wa katatu mwaka huu tilivo tablingwa mova Mutongo TV kuma kotini wa Kitui neta Onesmus Chalo.
Atethesia mama daktari ungu wa muvango wa serikali wa kwailia maundu mauiti kwikila mwenenthi na alame chumwani cha karatu cha mukomo yuni mawetakana maivikia kusiokethia wiani nginya ila mawatamo meuvikia kuthinikiwa maine na musini wa Mombasa kavindani kalama atwaisya maandamano nginya ofisini wa gavana wa kaunti isu na malalamika kuandikwa kwa kandalasi kwa ilungu ya samaiweta kana weyala mathetha cia masibitali ni vamwe na kuikithya kana muvango wa uiti kwikila umwe ni weanigwa mailite kunengwa wia wa kutoa. Angelina Muse nukuelesya.
Mainena kavindani kala methio maitwaisya maandamano atethesya mamatakitali va kauntini ya Mombasa ngua walanyoa serikali wa kwithikana uthukumi wa uitini wa vikia kila umwe ni mawetakana maivikia kusyoka wiani nginya ila mavata moma kuvikia kuthinikiwa kwivo kuandikwa wia wa kutua vandu va contract ila methito maitumikia kwa kilungu kiasa.
We have a mission, and our mission is conversion to permanent pensionable, payment of gratuity and job registration. That is our bare minimum right now. If that is not done, we are not going to go back to work. The numbers that we are having here, some of them are in charges. Some of them are operating facilities without any other people, only with casuals. Right now, mothers are delivering at home because these nurses and CEOs are the people responsible for conducting deliveries. Immunization coverage is going down right now because the government has failed to convert these guys so that these are health workers to permanent pensionable so that they can offer their services at a minimum level where they enjoy these are the allowances that their counterparts who are employed in under county government enjoy.
Ni makuetekana mayithito maikwata ilovia cia kumathuthia kana kumathangasya na ila inenga wa thukumi ala angi muviani wa uiti vala mawetekana yu ni makuendea na mukomo una ula walika chumwa cha kana.
We can't even go for further training. We cannot get loans because when you go to seek maybe a loan, you want to develop yourself, the banks will always check whether you are employed into permanent and pensionable or you have enough security to guarantee their repayment of their loans. So we are disadvantaged as UHC staff, and our demand still remains that the government must act now.
We don't enjoy nursing and service allowance. We don't enjoy commuter allowance. We don't have risk allowance, of which when you see all these people, they are really straining, but they can't offer these services because they are demotivated. Hakuna kitu wanaweza fanya sahi, but ni down tools, punda amechoka, and the only thing we can do is to leave these facilities for the government who has failed to act upon our cries.
Yuni mawetekana ni maende na kunyamaika na kutuma matakwata mikovu kuma vengi ya kuiendesya kimasomo ni kumanamo kwithiwa maandikitwo ungu wa contract.
So the perennial lies that we are having every day, that they are going to be transitioned, is not going to fall into our ears right now. What we need is no work, no PNP, no work. Solidarity. Solidarity.
What we are calling upon the county government of Mombasa, Kilifi, Taita Taveta, Kwale is that they need to join hands together and push for absorption of these people into permanent and pensionable terms.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Kavindani kandi ya Kenya yende kulilikana chumwa cha kukitana na utumi wanda wasia kumila asiye alimu atavania na ene yanda angi nimende kamethi wa mustalini wambe kwikithya siko sia utumi wanda wasia kumila katikati wa muika nisiaoleka na kusiiwa. Ainena na andiki mama uvo Dominic Mutinda mutaalamu wa maundu ma uitimanda wasia kumila kiseseni cha Kibwezi Treatment and Rehabilitation Center ni waweta kusia utumi wanda wasia kumila kuenda ene yanda kuthukanio kwikonia walanioni uvala muika uwetwa kwithiwa wi muisioni. Keni Muringe nukuelesya.
Dominic Mutinda inanane wa watalivoti ya uyumetokea mauvya wako ukitanda wasia kumila wa Vakenya wanakada ina wonanywa munene wa undu wa muika uonde kwikonya nthini wa utumi wanda wasia kumila. Walaitalanya maondoka utalame thiote maothothe akiwa wetalama thilulukite siana na muika ni mailito monya molo tola wailite.
Prevention ila tunenayo loa kwesiye kana kusiya kana kaikarika sindoni. Ogwa kubendwa kutwika kana ni mundu ni wa yito au makateka addiction asio kenge back to normal. Ni take ya time, ni take ya a lot of money, na ni take ya changes mbingi monosi ya mui. Lilika kana mundu ila mundu we mo preventiwa. There's so many damages it on ku happen. Mundu anataka atuka no kuma musi. Kana kaka ikatuka nika uma musi. No bend the damages mbingi sieke. No enda kako le school tene na kata difa either nika student. No enda masomo kata sio kenge katwike nika ambio concentrate.
Deni walivotisiwa na kada nika na muika umekati wa ile lami mansioni nene sia kisomo kila ni kilungu cha miongo 5 yulwa yana ne matume yao ki palana va mwika umwe kati wa muonza matumia mbaki kana sindelo siuma naona yona cha kumachania kana mwika umwe kati wa 12 wethia waenda utine kana kwekana na utumi wa uki kwikinia kwa utumi wa ndawasi ya 10 kati wa mwika ikukonanya na mwika akwithwa mayo kutana na mesili ya maingi na wengi hitindo mbathe
unresolved issues imwe na traumas imwe unprocessed traumas with mbingi muno cia creatiwe ni asi pe andumeta wa alcohol children adult children of alcoholics nundu be characteristic ala mekala be undu mekala pe children of alcoholic be undu mekala ogeze da nimes ke undu mekala kana ikanie ke na wia wa imundu kato no trust ke kala ko ona idie and jutwe ando imatuito me drugs bado to restrict that na problem yolumuno ya balaba sia na situ katika growth and development issues sia na situ it will to prevent no to prevent there so many things also personality no be ndo na ikaloge their personality akana ni ambio model you according to the environment ila yevu
ni kumana na kivala wa kulia ene yenda kukwatia ni ya kuikithia ni mama na ila mitio ya maniwa moya mbesi kuvinduka kumana na utumi wa ndawasi ya 10 na kumanenga molotola walite onge yenda ene ndimethwa maite thesia u alama umasivitali ni mena mathina mawo utumi wa ndawasi ya 10 tanzia moya kuikithia nimetikileka
indikana kana ila mundu ikateka drugs with their ena problem yolumuno kandu mayumo anxiety ando mema munene na challenge ki yolumuno chakwikala nando na ben manai maingi muno inda ekite na au maweye kete na enda nda expect on ando alangi usiede no mamwekete na yela umaluka okaethia paimundu kwendo mu accept ba enza gambe ya ekala eweka acceptance inda ino sio wayo kindu chambe ni tuma mwan mundosu wa uma katika treatment center kuyugwa kana istambia ilo nosie titambia dogo jakele ni kunenga mundosu kindu kitwa confidence na kuka rise kitu kitwa self esteem ko ona ndandikana nando ndakegwa ape bandu bena tena
Mutongo TV kuma Kibwezi kaunti ya Makueni nyeneta wa Ken Mulinge
Musumbi William Ruto ni wathingilila kana nukwende ya kwikithia kana vena wiana numa undoni kwa thukanio kwa kila mundu na isio vanthi ya Kenya na ingi nukwende ya kukwatania na kuetea Kenya vamwe kaine na chathini cha mathiko maithe wa speaker wa mbunge ya Senate Amason Kingi Muritia King Mwarua Mukwea skuluni wa musingi wa Kamale kaunti ya Kilifi. Musumbi Ruto ingi ni waende ya kutula muti alame uvuthisia mivango yake ya maendeleo valanake munini wake Kithure Kindiki watula muti alame weta kana serikali ndailite kutangaza kila ikwika.
A nation that is balanced, a nation that is equitable. Usawa ni kitu ya maana sana. Najua na tunawaomba msamaha wale wanapandwa na hasira, wengine wanapandwa na hamaki kwa sababu eti tumetangaza ya kwamba tutajenga barabara kilomita 750 kuunganisha Northern Kenya as a second transport corridor in Kenya. Ama kwa sababu tumetangaza ya kwamba tutaondoa mambo ya vetting. Mutatusamehe wale mnakasirika, wale mnapandwa na hamaki. Usawa ni mambo iko ndani ya katiba. Kuwaeleza wananchi ni mambo iko ndani ya katiba. It is not our fault. We are just discharging what the Constitution of Kenya mandates and commands us to do. And that is how we are going to go forward.
Nimeona viongozi wengine wa kisiasa na wengine viongozi wa kanisa wakijaribu kutunyamazisha asi tusiongee mambo ya ile programs ambazo serikali inafanyia wananchi. Na mimi nataka tukumbuke ya kwamba katiba yetu inadai serikali ieleze wananchi ile mipangilio yote inataka kutekeleza ili wananchi waamue kama serikali iendelee na hiyo mambo ama isiendelee. Vile vile wakati maamuzi yamefanywa, katiba inadai ya kwamba wananchi waelezwe wakati hayo mambo yanafanywa na baada ya hayo mambo kufanyika.
Utawala munene wa Kenya ndwina mwikio yuluwa itambia Musumbi William Ruto ya kuseo vya serikali ya vamwe kuyanana na ukunikili ulawe ikiwa ni kundi ya Polytrack Africa. Ndino wa ukunikili o kilungu cha miongwana na mwandano itatu manyo kuwata mbao itambia ye ya kuseo vya serikali ya vamwe palana cho kilungu cha miongwana na thandatu ndono mwonza yuluwa yana kio kuwata mbao kilungu cha miongwana na ili yuluwa yana na choke inaamba kutuwa sila yuluwa itambia ye ila kwa uyuye na mye mwonza kuma Musumbi Ruto na mutongo wa ODM Raila Odinga Matumandu.
36.7% approved of the president's decision and direction in creating the broad-based government. However, 41.3% are not agreeing with the president's directive to create the broad-based government, while 22% are not sure. So in this question, according to these findings, is that a majority of Kenyans, that is 41.3%, do not approve of the president's direction to create the broad-based government which has accommodated various members of the opposition in his government. And the perception of Kenyans is key in understanding the 2 years before and now going forward as we approach the elections. Do they view there will be a difference, particularly in the running of government, now that the government has been broadened by the accommodation of various parties, particularly within the opposition? And in this, we had questions, and the manner of answering was either very likely, neutral, unlikely, or very unlikely that we'll see a change. And 21.3% view that it is very unlikely that there will be any change. 21.2% are seeing it as unlikely. They're not on the extreme side, but they see it as not really that there will be that necessary conversion within the runnings of the government. 17.3% are neutral. 22.1% view that there is a likelihood that there will be a change, and 18.1% note that they view that there is a very likelihood that there will be a change, particularly within the runnings of government.
Naindi kwa mauvu asitu amba kuthiu muone mukube ituseko deti na mauvu mbeange tukadhibasa.
Siasa ni undu umwe na andu eli mesoko, umwe na mbui ungi na nguli, pe umwe kumbi wani andu ingi na pe ulokwisa kwinuka na mbesa.
Pe andu mekwa akamba maisi likalini, kwani nyeni nzaduo?
Atuko kubale na Ruto atituwe na serikali mseto, atuna mseto.
Uteti ni undu umwe na kusima, lasima wikale uteete makenge. Vaiki vadhukanyo kinene cha siasa na kutha. Ndwa ile kuilila chonde kila winacho na kumana saasi ya kukola kuivata.
I will be loyal and faithful.
Rigathi Gachagua has committed crimes. That is the threshold.
Please leave me alone. Ni wa ile kusisya muno undu ukwose kanduni uteobuthya mundu ona wiva na uimanya vaiji kaya ubuthiisya.
I have almost become a lonely voice in the presidency.
Before you tax us, give us jobs.
Siasa ni kumanya kuthima nzeve na kunenga andu kila mekwenda.
So Kenyans, if you hear Ruto will be one term, you begin to say ataiba, atafanyika namna gani. It will not happen.
Sincere development. Ela ni mwikite miaka yana
Asami nimesika na kwicha mbeke ni kwenda utuika na akili yiyulu.
Onangewa ya kwasia nendo tuikara ni media mundu. Gewezwele kuwekana nayo.
Na Raila akaungama ingi, neitu tukaungama, na Ruto akaungama, na konga namba ita.
Ilembera hiyo kamba hiyo na tongo. Andu mato no kuikana makeka plan.
mutongo iwitu teisia ni sena teitethia ni sewithie netamuongela lato
Mheshimiwa Kalonzo ni wali tukwete leaders ya onde
tusisie ikumbe ye chao komana na Erastus Kithuku Anzomo ndini wa kilungu cha ikumbe ya siasa kila wachumwa kwambia saa 3:30 cia wiyo pa Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Ni na udhocha ingi tuende na kumanithia muka wa Musumbi Mama Rachel Ruto ni wakulia vethi we na ngwatanio ya kuikithia kana kila kana nikakwata ivuso ya nene ya kukekia vinya maundu nimekuthukanio makimikalile ini na chathini cha kutania ngwatanio cia itu cia Girl Guides na Girl Scouts ndini wa muthenya ula utania wa kila mwaka matuku 20 mamai wa keli tanzia mwe kuseuvya unyanya na kumekia vinya na wesikanie nthio ndeta World Thinking Day na chatwa igwa kaunti ya Nyeri. Mama Rachel ni wenda walanio wa kunenga niliuma skuluni wiki we vinya nikana kutethesia manegwa kusoma nesa vatenanza
leadership and citizenship. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the partners and stakeholders who helped the Kenya Girl Guides Association fulfill its mandate. To the Girl Guides, you are the leaders of today. Let us apply the skills and values of the Girl Guide movement in our daily lives. This training ground will prepare you for more responsibilities in the future and accelerate us towards the future we desire. Like the hummingbird story told by Professor Wangare Maathai, I may be small and insignificant, but I will always do the best I can. One key barrier to education is hunger, which affects school enrollments and retention. A strategy to achieve the government's target of 100% enrollment and retention is ensuring Kenya meets the targeted universal school feeding goal of 10 million children accessing school meals by 2030. To achieve this, we need a sustainable approach that involves the children learning the importance of food security and practical skills that can be applied in school and at home. We have launched the Feed One End Hunger initiative to support and train primary schools to produce food on school grounds. As the Girl Guides, we have the One Girl, One Tree campaign as our environmental flagship project. However, as we were guided by our president, I urge the Girl Guides to increase the tree growing from 1 tree to 30 trees every year.
Na indi kwa mauvo asuni utongea muviano ndwa kwithiwa wakwatianiana ito nthini wa vilingi wa mauvo tukwendea weekend ya kwa ila na kuhiyo kisionye nito wa Robert Mutuku na nke Sharon Ndinda atwala mauvo wa kwanzia ya Meko Tiwanesa.